What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best s'mores makers available on the market. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers, so whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and remember to subscribe. Now let's get started with the top 5 picks. Number 1. Nostalgia Electric Stainless Steel S'mores Maker. Nostalgia is a recommended brand that produces some of the best s'mores makers, such as the SMM200 Indoor Electric Stainless Steel S'mores Maker. This electric-powered s'mores maker is your perfect companion for every indoor gathering. The SMM200 model weighs just 2 pounds, which is relatively lightweight, making portability easy. Additionally, the product's dimensions are 13.38 in x 13.38 in x 4.72, which is compact and easy to store. With the SMM200 electric s'mores makes, you will have issues roasting marshmallows effectively. Includes 2 stainless steel roasting forks to make s'mores with friends and keep hands safe from the heater. Never use abrasive cleaners on the unit. The s'mores maker comes with 2 marshmallow roasting forks and 1 tray that has 4 compartments. You can keep all your necessary ingredients in the compartment, such as chocolates, crackers, and marshmallows. The grill of the s'mores maker consists of stainless steel, making it durable and increasing the product's longevity. Moreover, cleaning the grill is hassle-free, making it easy to maintain. Number 2. Sterno Family Fun S'mores Maker. Are you looking for a s'mores maker that you could use for your next family trip? The Sterno 70228 S'mores Maker is perfect for such occasions. You can use this s'mores maker for outdoor trips and in any weather conditions. Ideal for indoor and outdoor use, the Sterno 70228 Family Fun S'mores Maker can be quite fun to use. The s'mores maker comes with 2 stainless steel roasting forks to cook the marshmallows. The product also contains a roasting screen that protects the food from the flame and helps in uniform toasting. The inclusion of the proprietary Sterno s'mores heat fuel can for roasting the marshmallows is an added advantage. The s'mores maker from Sterno has an old-fashioned open flame design. This open frame comes with a roasting screen. This structure makes it similar to a campfire and very safe to use. Moreover, you can safely use the Sterno s'mores maker indoors as well. The Sterno s'mores maker comes with heating fuel, 2 stainless steel forks, and an ingredient tray. There are some bundles where you might get extra cans of the s'mores heat fuel. However, these bundles will cost a little higher than just this model cost. The s'mores makes weigh just 1.6 pounds and are very easy to carry around. The s'mores maker is compact and stores easily with dimensions 14 in x 14 in x 5 inches. Number 3. Chicago Metallic S'mores Maker. Another great portable s'mores maker is the Chicago Metallic S'mores Maker. You can use this model outdoors and indoors, which is a great advantage. Moreover, you do not have to use charcoal or wood for initiating the cooking process. The model is safe to use tabletop s'mores maker. There are a roasting chimney, serving tray, and 4 roasting forks in the s'mores maker. You can place all the necessary ingredients required for making the s'mores in the roasting chimney. The model weighs 6.84 pounds and has dimensions 11.6 in x 11.6 in x 5.25 inches. This s'mores maker consists of stainless steel and ceramic. Though ceramic can break or chip when it falls, you can increase the longevity of the s'mores maker with proper maintenance. This s'mores maker includes a grill top, organizing, serving tray, for roasting forks, burner holder, and snuffer. The roasting chimney and 4-compartment serving tray are made from white ceramic, and the fuel holder and grill top are made from durable stainless steel. The process of making s'mores with this s'mores maker is similar to that of making fondue. Even for people making s'mores for the first time, this maker would be pretty easy to handle. Number 4. Nostalgia LSM 400 Indoor Electric S'mores Maker. Another product of the Nostalgia brand is the Nostalgia LSM 400 Indoor Electric Stainless Steel S'mores Maker. This classic design has a flameless heater which is very high-performing. Due to this, you can roast your marshmallows in less than 60 seconds. You can use this s'mores maker effectively for quick heating of snacks. It is a very reliable s'mores maker that everyone can use. There are a top cover and durable housing over which the grill is present. The grill comes with high-quality stainless steel. Weighing about 4 pounds and dimensions of 14.75 in x 14.75 in x 6.25 in, the s'mores maker is compact and portable. In the package, you will find 4 forks for marshmallows and 4 Lazy Susan trays. Includes 4 stainless steel roasting forks to make s'mores with friends and keep hands safe from the heater. The s'mores maker has conducting rubbers that are non-heat to keep it safe. You can arrange the necessary ingredients comfortably on the Lazy Susan trays. You will need an electric power source to run the s'mores maker. That is why it is not a suitable product to be used outdoors. Number 5. Sharper Image Electric S'mores Maker. The Sharper Image Electric Tabletop S'mores Maker is the perfect indoor s'mores maker. Convenience is the critical factor in this s'mores maker and is ideal for first-timers as well. This s'mores maker is suitable to be used during camping, parties, barbecues, and other activities. With a weight of 3.54 pounds and dimensions 14.25 in x 14.1 in x 5.75 in, the s'mores maker can easily carry around. This s'mores maker features food-safe, high-quality, and durable stainless steel. Users can use the s'mores maker for several outdoor activities, and you can make s'mores anywhere and anytime. This s'mores maker has a tray divided into 4 compartments. You can keep the necessary ingredients that you need for the melted marshmallows in this tray. You will find a grill cover, cord and plug, and an electric range in the package. Since the heat of the s'mores maker is self-contained, it is very safe to use. However, you will need an electric source to use the s'mores maker outside. If you enjoyed this video, then like this video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the following video.